Hello guys, welcome back to the channel again. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to block someone on Tinder application. So the process is very much simple. Before we get started, please subscribe this channel and also press the notification bell to get updated from us. So let's get started. First of all, simply start by tapping on the apps icon, go to the Tinder application. Here we go. And once you enter inside the Tinder application, simply tap on the profile icon at the top left. And after that, you can simply tap on the settings option. Just click on the settings, scroll down, and here you can locate the option of block contact. Just click on this blocked contact option. Now you can search the name or the number of the person whom you want to block, or also you can click on this plus icon at the top right. Just click on this plus icon and add the full name of the person whom you want to block, and also add the phone number of the person, and also add the additional phone number if you have additional phone number available. And after getting done, just tap on this done at the top right. That's it. Now the person has been blocked. So this is how you can simply block someone on Tinder. So hope this video was useful for you, and before you go, please subscribe this channel and also like this video as well. Thank you for watching.